In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana in just 5 minutes. Asana is a powerful tool designed for project management and team collaboration. Whether you're managing personal tasks or overseeing a large team, Asana can help you organize your work more efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Asana's website. If you're new to Asana, you'll need to create an account. Look for a sign up option on the homepage where you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Once that's done, click on continue and you'll receive instructions to set up your account. For those who already have an account, simply log in with your email and password. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Asana homepage. This is your command center for navigating projects and tasks. To start a new project, locate the New Project button. Asana offers a variety of templates to choose from to help you get started, or if you prefer, you can create a blank project to customize from scratch. Whichever you choose, remember to give your project a name so you and your team can easily identify it later. After naming your project, click on continue. You'll then choose how you want to view your project. Asana offers several view options such as list, board, or calendar. Pick the one that best suits your workflow. Once you're satisfied with your choice, click on Create Project to finalize. Now that you have your project set up, it's time to add some tasks. Click on Add Task to start filling in your project details. Each task can be expanded to include more information. Click on the task to open the details pane, where you can assign it to a team member, add a due date, and even break it down into subtasks if needed. Assigning an assignee ensures accountability, while due dates help in maintaining project timelines. After tasks are set up, navigate to the My Tasks section to see all the tasks assigned to you across different projects. This personal dashboard helps you keep track of your priorities and deadlines. To explore Asana's full potential, take some time to familiarize yourself with other features like portfolios, which provide an overview of multiple projects, and the ability to customize projects further with forms, rules, and custom fields. Don't hesitate to explore various Asana features to find what works best for your workflow. The platform offers a flexible and collaborative environment that helps streamline work processes and improve team productivity. With a bit of exploration and practice, you'll find Asana to be an invaluable tool in managing your projects efficiently.